dim sum.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Foods. Are you having fun learning about food? Me too. This time we will learn about dim sum. Look at the picture. The food in the basket is dim sum. We eat dim sum with chopsticks. Are you ready to start class? Let's learn some words.
Steam. Look at the kettle. Steam is coming out of it. When water boils, it becomes steam. We can cook food with steam. Instant. Instant food is food that we can prepare very quickly. The picture shows instant noodles. We just need to pour hot water into the instant noodle cup. After a few minutes, the noodles will be cooked.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Instant. Steam.
Now you'll read a story and then do a quiz.
Do you know what dim sum is? It's dough with filling. Common fillings are beef, chicken, pork, and shrimp. What filling would you like? The dough is mainly made with wheat starch. We steam dim sum to cook it. We can also buy instant dim sum at a store. We just use a microwave to cook it. We can steam it too.
What is the dough mainly made of? Shrimp. Wheat starch. What is true about dim sum? We can only make it at home. We use steam to cook it.
Do you like dim sum? Where do you go to eat it? This is the end of our class. See you next time. Goodbye.